what I just got in the mail today. I couldn't even wait to put my clothes on to show y'all. This is your girl Helen, owner of Blue Diamond Designs, and today I got a delivery and I could not wait. I'm so excited, y'all. So what I just got today, yes, this here, my sublimation printer. So I am about to start, y'all. And yes, this is how I woke up this morning. So stay tuned. I'm going to unbox it and set it up, and we're going to start a project. Hey y'all, I'm back. So I set up the Brothers printer for the sublimation, and I forgot to record me actually printing this out to make it. This is my tumbler that I customized with using Canva, and I was able to get it printed and everything. So I'm sorry guys, I forgot to record that part of the video. But now I'm going to show y'all with what it looks like once it's done. It's nice and cool. So now I can remove the paper here and see how it turned out. So just gonna grab my scissors and find somewhere to start cutting to lift up the paper. Now, this is my first time doing a sublimation cup. So if you have any tips or anything, leave them in the comments below so that way I can get better at it. So I'm learning, you learning with me. That's what matters, right? Yeah, I don't want to risk cutting into my design, so I'm going to leave that alone. Oh my god, y'all, it is looking so pretty. Look at that. Just okay, so I had to make sure it was still recording because my light went out, and I wanted to make sure that y'all could still see me unveiling what the design looked like. If you haven't guessed it by now, hopefully y'all can tell what it is. This is almost like opening up a Christmas present. And yes, I reference Christmas a lot. That's one of my favorite holidays. So you guys tell me what you think. So I'm gonna go clean it up a little bit and clean up my mess here. And then I will come back to you and show you the finished product when I'm actually done.